Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to embed an AllTrails walking tour into your guidebook using custom elements. So here I am in Content Hub, and so because I want to add an all-trail walking tour, I'm going to add that to a relevant category, and I've got one here called Weekend Adventures. So I'm going to click down here. I've got places to visit, beaches that you can go to, but I'm going to add my own subcategory. Okay, so my own subcategory, walking tours around Barcelona, because my guide that I want to add this for is in Barcelona. So I click submit on my subcategory and I add a topic here, and I'm going to call it walking tours. Wonderful. So what I want to do now is drop in the walking tour using a custom element. So what I can do is I can put in a bit of text here. You can add whatever you like. So this is a really fab walking tour just outside. Whoop. And this is a tour that I really like taking myself. So here we go. Just a nice little bit of text, blah, blah, blah. You can add whatever you wish, or you don't have to add any text at all. You can just simply drop in the custom element. So let's get to adding that custom element. So I click here on custom element, and this takes me into the insert custom element menu, and I want to create a new element because I haven't created this one yet. So I click add new element. First thing to do is choose the third-party service I want. As I've mentioned, I'm adding a walking tour, so I want AllTrails, which is here. Great. This has created an automatic code name. I'm going to change this to the place, which is where one of the walking tours is, by Shador. Okay, great. And now I need to add the embed code from AllTrails. So I'm going to jump into AllTrails. Here I am. You have to create a free account if you don't already have one in order to get the embed code and do this. And your guests will also have to create an account as well if they want to use this in a lot of detail. But here we are just in AllTrails, and I'm scanning through, and here we go. Here's the walk. It's testing my Spanish here, or my Catalan. Baixador de Vallvidrera. There we go. So I click on the link here, and this takes me through and gives me all this great information about this walk. So I want to pop this into my guide. So how do I do that? I click share, and I go down here to embed. I click embed, and I just click copy HTML. That's copied, and now I'm jumping back into my TouchStay guide. And all I have to do here is paste in that embed code. Wonderful. And now the final piece is to choose the element height. The standard height has been chosen already for me. This is how tall or short the element will be shown in your guide. I'm going to go with the standard for now, but I can come back anytime and change that. And so I'm going to click save. Great, and we can see here by Shador the AllTrails code is added, and I click insert, and that drops it into my topic. And you can see it looks just like a regular code. Wonderful. So because this is in my Barcelona guide, I'm going to click the tag here to add this to my Barcelona guide. So it shows in that guide with the associated tag, and then I click submit. Wonderful. And we can see that my walking tours around Barcelona subcategory has been created, and also my topic. Great. So let's see what that looks like for the guests. So I'm going to click preview guide, and it's my Barcelona guide, which is just opening. This has opened the guest view of my guide, and this is showing what it looks like on desktop. But of course, when a guest has this on their mobile phone, everything will be resized to fit their phone screen. But let's click get started. And let's scroll down to that weekend adventures category. Here we go. We can see my new subcategory here, walking tours. And I can see, fantastic, that the AllTrails has been automatically embedded here. Wonderful. So I've got lots of nice information here. I can scroll in and out, and I can see the whole of that route on the map and what it looks like. And if I click on the title of the walk here, it takes me out into the AllTrails app. So if I had this on my phone as well, I'd be able to dig into a little bit of more detail. But it's a really great way to show off all of your local knowledge of the area, and lots of really great ways for the people coming to your place to really discover more of the local area and get stuck in an easy way. It can be a bit scary finding out best walking trails, so if these come directly from you as the host or the property manager, that's a wonderful way to show that it's a great one to give a try. I did this one a few weeks ago, and it was a great hike. So give it a go, popping these into your guides, and see what your guests think. Thank you.